Nobody's gonna save me. Only myself, nobody can save me. Yeah, now it is. Look. Only myself, nobody can save me. I done did a lot, I bet on God can judge me. I'm good with God, cause something will blame me. From those who did wrong, you can find me. Those who done did me wrong, they started envy. Repeat all the sins they trying me. Couldn't sleep cause they hang on me. I'm antisocial, you might think I'm grimy. I'm not perfect, but I'm better, you know what I mean. I don't mind criticizing. Tomorrow never know it. They say you're too old, you never do it. Get it wrong and try to prove it right, as you can give your life to it. Lost in my mind, I'm trying to clean my sight. Always have faith that my future will be bright, cause I'm thinking about it all at night. And I'm the bright that shine on every light. I'm pagami, I'm afraid to hide. Through hurting moments, say I'ma be alright.
Knocking on the heaven's door, who I am, I guess you know. It's unbelievable, I mean it's so incredible. They don't believe it, dog, I can be like this. My check 1, 2 is print swipe. Now I'm popping, niggas keep copying. When I'm dropping these, niggas keep talking. I gain everything just to change everything. They gave me 20 beef, I just need all my 2 bigs. Yeah, let me know if you niggas wanna go. I gotta show these demons who's the boss. Furthermore, I'm the drunken warrior, can't let it go. You just let me flow. I got some few joints if you think I'm lonely. Push a strong nigga if you ever noticed. I'ma go get it like when the rain comes, I'ma go get it.
Nobody's gonna save me but myself.